Students, today's session discuss element based electronic configuration of periodic table, and the modern periodic tables organized is a 7 periods and 18 groups in modern periodic law based on the alpha principle. Is the outermost cell electronic configuration work out for the noble gases rule, and next will be the various electronic configuration of periods along the periods. Each period start from that ns1 orbital, example like that 1s, 2s, 3s will be started now, and end with ns2 np6, example like that neon atomic number 10 will be outermost electronic configuration 2s to 2p6. So completely filled is the n period is the number, and next accommodated from the 1s orbital only 2 electrons are possible. First will be the Hunt rule is based on the clockwise, another one electron filled with anti-clockwise. So period has two elements, example like that first period 2 element hydrogen and helium, second period 2s orbital 8 element 2s 2p orbital lithium 2 neon, and same like that third period 3s orbital, the third period means 3s started, fourth period means 4s orbital started, fifth period 5s orbital started based on accordance is alpha principle. Next will be discussed electronic configuration alpha principle order 1s 2s 2p 3s 3p 4s 3d 4p is the like that the start and end number of elements. Another like that the hydrogen electronic configuration already known 1s1. Another last will be the period helium, first period last element is the 1s2 complete, and lithium 2s1, and the end of the second period last one argon 18 2s2 2p6 2s2 sorry student, that the mistake of in your book neon, here also argon. So neon atomic number 10 1s2 2s2 2p6, argon atomic number 18. So 10 configurations of neon, and then balance 8 3s2 3p6. So start and end of the electronic configurations and fourth period filled 3d orbital started, and the scandium to zinc every period in d block elements, the fourth period to seventh period each 10 elements 4d 5d 6d orbital is successive period filled in the second and third fourth transition series, and sixth period is a 6s orbital 4 of 5d ps orbital cerium to lutetium 14 inner transition element of lanthanides f block elements. And next will be the fifth periods 5f of seventh period 14 elements of second inner transition elements, 2 series separated of the bottom of modern periodic law consider actinides. Next variable electronic configuration, similar like the electronic configuration outer cell based spdf block elements, basis orbital last valence of electrons enter. Group 1 group 2 is a s block elements is like the ns orbitals. Group 1 is alkali metals, group 2 is alkaline earth metal. Properties is called soft metal, low melting point, boiling points, and low ionization enthalpy, highly reactive means highly electropositive nature, highly positive charge from the electropositive nature from ionic compound, easily dissolved in water, imparts color to the flame, different color in the flame. Next group number 13 to 18 p block elements, general configuration like that ns2 np 1 to 6 electron completely filled, group number p orbital like that, and 16 and 17 is that 16 is the chalcogen oxygen family, 17 is the halogen fluorine chlorine bromine family, highly electronegative atom, present of the group number 17 respectively. Completely filled valence of electrons is the inert gases or noble gases. The B block elements, negatively elements, is gain of enthalpies, ionization energy higher than the S block elements. Next, compared to the group number 3 to 12 D block elements, transition elements, general balance of electronic configuration ns1 to n-1d, 1 to 10 electrons possible, is the more one of the oxidation state possible. Ionic, covalent bond, industrial compounds, act of catalyst, high melting point, good conductor, heat and electricity. So lanthanide electronic configuration, actinide electronic configuration. Conclusion of periodic table. The general outer configurations of group alkali elements ns1, alkaline elements ns2 configuration, and like that to 3 to 12 is like that D block elements is the electronic configuration, outermost cell 1, 2, 3 up to last 10 completely filled. Example like that the third fourth period zinc. Next will be 13 to 18 is the P block elements, and F block element electronic configuration, and actinide second inner series electronic configuration is very important. Next will be like that. Next will be periodic trends of properties, very important. Atomic radii, ionic radius, ionization enthalpy, electron gain energy is called electrons enthalpy, and electronegativity is a negative gain of energy. Electron negativity is atomic radius, ionic radius. Now session discuss. What is meant by atomic radii? Every one atom is the outermost cell. How to the possibilities of radius in the nucleus to around the cell subcell orbital is the circle. In the electrons energy level radius is not 100% possibles of measurement. The isolated atom is directly is an example except noble gases, and consider atomic radii defined as the distance between the center of the nucleus to outermost cells. Center of nucleus to outermost cells is the radius. Compared to like that the covalent radius is like that molecules intermolecular distance easily calculated. Identify the atom together is the single covalent bond is a single bond, like that the example like that carbon to carbon single bond is a covalent bond is mention of sigma. Next will be the X-ray diffraction studied to the radiation diameter calculated and divided to is the radiation is like that example mentioned to that atom chlorine single bond chlorine, like that the sigma bond is like that the radius consider the diameter of 198 parameters. So diameter chlorine bond chlorine equal to radius of chlorine plus radius of chlorine. So something will be calculated short diameter chlorine bond chlorine equal to 2 times of radius of chlorine atom. So diameter divided to easily identify of radius of chlorine is diameter of 1.98 divided 2 is a Armstrong change. 1.98 divided 2 is a 0.99 Armstrong of radius of chlorine atom is a covalent radius. The formation of covalent bond involve of the overlapping of atomic orbital reduced to expected to the internuclear distance. So therefore covalent radius always shorter than the actual atomic radius. Like that the hydrogen diatomic molecules is the most important. Similar like that the intermolecular distance variations is the one molecules to another one intermolecular variation distance. As the type is a AA type, the distance is a A bond A type. Another one possible the intermolecular distance A and B type is the next class will be discussed. So AA type like that the hydrogen chlorine diatomic molecules oxygen like that. AB type like that example hydrogen chloride atom is like that hydrogen is a chlorine as a B type. the type example like that next class will be discussed. Thank you to all.